Cynthia's paper was clearly the most thorough researched work she had done, but she still feared that the teacher would not like it. 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter B. Kasi tingnan nyo mabuti, ang thorough, adjective siya, di ba? At ang minomodify dapat or dinidescribe ng adjectives are nouns or pronouns. Eh dito, hindi niya naman directly minomodify yung work eh. Ang minomodify nung most thorough here ay yung word na researched. At yung researched naman, siya naman yung nagmo-modify ng work. So again, this one works as an adjective. Nung word na work, so researched, work, at ito namang thorough, minomodify niya yung adjective na researched. So ano ba dapat yung nagmo-modify ng adjectives? Adverb dapat. So ito, dapat instead na adjective form siya, adverb form ang gagamitin natin. Hence, dadagdagan lang natin to ng ly para maging adverb na siya. So instead ng most thorough researched, most thoroughly researched work na siya.